PG Father Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend around at 25,000 feet.
Well, good morning everybody. This is John from Drones and Planes, and today we are back at Manchester Airport at the Runway Visitor Park, and it's a very busy morning today because we've also got the memorabilia stall on. We've got a classic car show, and also we've got lots of charity events going on as well. So we got here at 9 o'clock. It's now 11:15 and the place is absolutely rammed, which is good. It's nice to see lots of people about. I'm just hoping they're giving lots of money to the charities, because they're all here. Got the RSPCA, lifeboats, the blood people, all sorts of excellent charities. Anyway, it's a bit quiet at the moment, but we're expecting a Loganair and Emirates very soon. So as always, just sit back and enjoy the show. Next up, we've got the 777 from Dubai and Emirates, should be with us in a few minutes. So this Loganair has just landed from Aberdeen. And here she is. Look at that, what a beauty. Wowee, I love these.
And you can see there's a photo of this picture, a little clip of smoke, and as you say, we play, but anything that wouldn't.
So we've got Ryanair, and then behind that we should have, I think, possibly an Iberia and also a KLM. It's like Heathrow this morning. Absolutely mad. You see the tail of the Iberia there, KLM just behind it, and it's lovely blue. I guess that's going back to Amsterdam. Here's the Iberia. And next, close behind, last certainly not least, is the Boeing 737-700 of the KLM. Awesome. So we're going to have quite a few departures, and also we have the Etihad Dreamliner coming in any moment. It's so good to see it. Excuse me, I'm talking, not you.
This is making its way onto Terminal 1, which is one of the airlines that hasn't yet migrated over to the new Terminal 2, Terminal 2 extension. It opened a couple of weeks ago, and each day almost at the moment, many of the airlines
So there you go, look at that, you've got the Emirates 777 and the Ryanair 737-800 just taxiing around each other there. Another Ryanair. So we've got 4 departures lined up and 1 arrival. Sit back and enjoy the action.
Just looking here at the right, we can see the...
And there we have the Etihad Dreamliner. And here we've got the Iberia. screaming down 05 left.
And on the runway just mentioned time, in front of us is the Iberia 20.
Told you. He's good, isn't he? Good at copying me. Maybe we should get a job doing commentary. Bore everyone to death. And the KLM's just been told to line up behind the landing Austrian, so it's pretty busy. And we're just hoping that this Austrian comes into view in a moment. Ah, there she is.
Just arrived, we have Austrian Airlines flight 463 from Vienna, and then Runway 195.
Very nice landing, sir.
From Vienna this morning is 2 hours and 3 minutes.
Okay, so the KLM has just been given departure clearance, so that should be appearing very soon. And the Ryanair has been told to line up behind the departing KLM. Here we go. Rotate. Goodness me, they're really racking and stacking today. So no sooner had the wheels left the tarmac, the Ryanair had been given departure clearance. So she should be coming along any second now. And there we go. Look at that, hey? We can give immediate departure clearances like that or very close together because they are the same aircraft type, Boeing 737s. So there's no real weight separation. Maybe just a minute or so. And there goes old Ryanair. There we go.
Flight time is 1 hour 35 minutes, and this particular aircraft is a Mitsubishi CRJ 900.
It's a cute little aircraft, isn't it? Not sure where this Pegasus is, I think it's got lost. There we go, there's a Pegasus. Well done, mate, you found the airport in the end. Don't land on the M56. Can't see there being many passengers on there. I think Turkey's still a red country, so I wonder what's going on there. An Easyjet with quite a striking logo. Nantes. Or Nantes. You can probably hear Josh again, I do apologise. It's the little Easyjet going down to Newquay. So Airbus A319-100. And probably takes about 45 minutes of flight, I guess. Cute little plane. I do like Easyjet, I've said that before. Not quite the same horrible service that you get with Ryanair. Well, it's not horrible, but just, you know, you feel like you're just a bit of cattle, don't you? Where the Easyjet's just a little bit more civilised. And here's the Ryanair from Faro, Boeing 737-800, and a flight time of 85 hours, so you got lost. out with Easyjet to Newquay that we just saw taxi past. Once the Ryanair clears the runway, then we'll see El Easyjeto take off with Riona. See, a bit of Spanish and Italian there. Good on her. And behind the Easyjet should be the British Airways shuttle from London Heathrow, Airbus A319er. Not in any special livery, unfortunately. But anyway, here comes Easyjet.
Takeoff speed of that particular aircraft is about 170 miles an hour.
I beg to differ. I think it's 169.2. Right, here we go. Rotate, positive rate, gear up. Didn't know it was a pilot, did you? Oh, we're just waiting for the British Airways shuttle now coming in from London Heathrow. Like I say, it's an Airbus A319. Do about 3 or 4 of these flights a day.
Yes.
Well, I don't obviously, but British Airways operates these. Takes about 35 minutes, 40 minutes. Basically climbs and then starts descending. Only probably an altitude of flight level 190, which in English money is 19,000 feet, which is the maximum altitude for any internal flight in the UK. Well, in England anyway. Here she comes.
The British Airways Airbus. And the flying time back from London to Manchester this morning was 31 minutes.
There you go. I said 35, didn't I? That wasn't a bad guess. I could do his job, I'll tell you now. I might apply. 31 minutes, eh? And then we've got the Loganair departing to Newquay. ATR 72. Lovely little aircraft, flown on it before to, well, from Southend to here actually, many years ago, under the guise of Stobart, which was Flybe in those days. Sadly, they don't exist anymore. They're a great airline. And here's the Ryanair from Palma.
Here we have our next arrival, which is Ryanair flight 9037 from Palma, Mallorca.
Told you. I'm good, Anna.
Again, you can see
I'd also like to give a shout out to Ken Carr from Visions Aviation Live. He's here today in the Concorde visitor hangar selling his wares. Went over and had a quick chat with him, thoroughly nice bloke. And go and like his page on Facebook, follow his channel on YouTube. Very, very knowledgeable guy, great fun, and yeah, go and check him out. Vision Aviation Live. Great channel if you want to go and watch all things Heathrow and Stansted. And yeah, like I say, go and check him out. Good stuff.
And the next arrival here is Easyjet flight 21912 from Palma, Mallorca.
And there she is.
Boeing. Oh, sorry, Airbus.
Not a Boeing, mate. Get it right. Easyjets operate Airbus. Ryanair is Boeing. Yeah. Yeah, NEO. Very nice. NEO stands for New Engine Option. NEO. Alicante. Yes.
Boeing 737 to 800.
Very good morning, Mr.
Got the old reverse thrustles there. Here's a Ryanair arrival from Katowice in Poland. Good landing, sir. And that loud noise there you can hear is the reverse thrusters operating. You can see the engines have sort of come apart, and that is part of the braking mechanism used on modern jet aircraft. Yeah, Lufthansa passing to Munich. I wrongly commentated it as a Loganair because I'm blind and silly. The Flying Cigar.
About to touch down now on runway 05 left.
Faro.
This aircraft is landing on Faro.
Told you, I am good. That's got to be about 6-0 to me now, I think, hasn't it? Faro is in Portugal, which obviously is an amber list country at the moment, I think. But we have a Dassault Falcon 900 from Paris Charles de Gaulle. A little private jet. The guy there doing the YMCA. You have fun, sir. And here comes Dassault.
Aircraft is a Falcon 900. It's flown from Paris Charles de Gaulle.
Told you.
The aircraft is registered Papa Hotel November Delta Kilo.
There's Scarecrow just going across the screen as well to go and scare the birds away. 75, which actually is my own personal private aircraft. The guys are taking it out for a spin, and then I'll join them later for a trip down to Ibiza. And of course, looking absolute rubbish because we're going to Mallorca instead.
And here we have Jess Glenn's favourite airline, Jet2. Everyone will be docking now to the well-known hit, one video. You know what's going to mean. I'm not going to sing to you again, but I hear them singing and
Would you believe that because of candidates we then couldn't go? But they are going to go in the future.
Taking off the top of this little baby. And here's Jess Glynn taking off now. Okay, I lied. I can't resist the sound.